I'm Ethan from Ichiban Engineering and ISM here, and today we're going to talk about our exhaust manifolds. Previously I talked to you about the flanges, how we make the flanges with the taper from the port shape to the tube shape. You can watch that video separately. So we got here a few manifolds. These are for 6-cylinder engines. In this example, we got one for a 2J, a 1J, and a 1J ZVVTi. This specific one right here is an RB25. We also make them for 4-cylinder engines. Example Hondas or Nissans, SRs, Evos, Subaru, all kinds of things. So the process to order a manifold is this. We got few off-the-shelf designs that we made before, but you can also custom a design. So we start with the flange, then you can choose your turbo flange. So it can be a T4, it can be a billet flange like here with a fabricated collector, or it can be like in this manifold, it's a cast unit. So this is a cast collector. You can get it in T4, T3, and we're currently making one in V-band as well. Then we move to what wastegate you're gonna use. So for this example here, this is a 45mm TL wastegate. It gets, because it's divided, so you get 2 dump tubes to the wastegate. In this example is a TurboSmart 50mm, and what I'm holding in my hand is a Tile 60mm. So we got all the flanges as well. Once you choose your, basically the head flange, what engine you use, we know what collector, what turbo you're gonna use, and we know what wastegate you're gonna use. Then we move on to the platform. So you can put a K24 engine, for example, in many different cars. Not all the manifolds will fit these cars. So you have to have a certain manifold for a certain platform, for a certain chassis. Unfortunately, we do have already multiple designs that we already made here, but we can also custom a design. So if you got a car that we never made a manifold for, and you got some spatial swap, and you want a turbo manifold for your car, we also got here a 3D scanner. So we could basically scan an engine bay, and with that data, we could fabricate a manifold in the CAD software first, and then make the jig and fabricate the whole manifold to perfectly fit that car. So yeah, that's basically all the options. We also supply turbochargers. So part of Ichiban is we sell and manufacture turbochargers. Example here is the 900XR. It's a 6466 turbo. It's a dual ball bearing as well. This is our 900R, not XR. It uses a water cooling jacket as well. It's a 6662. We also got smaller units here. This is for like 450, 500 horsepower. And we also offer them with a billet center, the triple ball bearing that we talked about in a few videos ago. That's also an option as an upgrade. Yeah, and one thing I forgot to talk about is the material for the manifolds. So when you order a manifold from China, say eBay or AliExpress or Alibaba, that's what you get. This is the material. It's very thin, nothing much to it. When you're gonna run it, it's probably gonna crack, gonna wrap, not gonna hold very long time. In comparison, you got here a beefy piece of stainless. It's a 304L. It's an SUS 304L. It's very thick, maybe triple the thickness here. That's what we use on all our manifolds, obviously in different sizes. So these are 1.6 inches, and this here is for a rotary engine. This is like 2.25 inches. It's pretty big. Yeah, and that's it for now. If you want to order a manifold, you can go to the ISM website or the Ichiban Engineering website. You can contact us on the Facebook page, both Facebook pages. We got a lot of options. Give us a message today and we can help you. Thank you.